This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming whether you run Windows 10 versus Windows 11 because options differ. Once done, right-click an empty section of the taskbar and uncheck Lock the taskbar so it becomes movable. This step is essential, and you need it first. Make sure no full-screen app is preventing changes, and sign in with admin privileges if prompted. Now that the bar is unlocked, you can drag it, or open taskbar settings to choose placement. Either method works depending on your version. You can now actually move or configure the bar. On Windows 10, click and drag the unlocked taskbar to the top, left, right, or bottom edge. The system snaps it into place. On Windows 11, go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar Behaviors, and change alignment or related options, because dragging is limited. While you're here, adjust Auto Hide, Combine, and Icon settings to free screen space. These options explain why placement and behavior together matter for workflow and focus. Once you like the position, right-click and re-enable Lock the taskbar to keep it fixed. This prevents accidental moves and keeps your layout stable. If the new position doesn't persist, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager. End task on Explorer and use Run New Task Explorer. EXE to refresh the shell. If that fails, sign out or reboot and make sure no group policy or corporate profile is enforcing layout. If it is, contact IT, because those restrictions override local changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.